What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I have been so excited to make this video. We are going to the Eras Tour movie tonight and I'm so excited. It is Friday, October 13th, which I feel is appropriate. I chose this specific date to come see the movie for a reason. We're going to see the Eras Tour movie. Concert film, technically, because literally who's gonna be sitting down? Honestly. Like, no one is going to be sitting down for the entirety of this movie. So I'm so excited. I just came back from the gym. I'm about to start prepping. The movie is at 7:30. It is 4:30. We are prepping early. And I actually went to HomeSense yesterday because I couldn't figure out what outfit I wanted to wear. And I ultimately decided to go to HomeSense and see if I could find something else, because I just wasn't sold on the outfits that I had at home. Like, they were good, but I just wasn't sure. And then I really wanted to do the pajama outfit with my cousin from the You Belong With Me video, and we were supposed to do t-shirts together, but honestly we've been just so busy this week that we just haven't had time to make the t-shirts. So I think she actually had time, but she did it like super late last night. Like, I was already asleep kind of late because I woke up to messages of her sending me pictures of her t-shirt and I did not see those before I went to bed. So she was up pretty late and committed to her costume. Unfortunately, I was not as committed and did not do that. So I went to HomeSense and found a few things, all returnable because I'm not going to keep anything that I don't end up wearing. But I found a few good things. They had so many things with sequins on them. And I'm going to do a little haul for you guys. So my vibe was like Midnight or 1989. Just because like those are, quite honestly, like two of my absolute favorite albums of hers. And then also like I feel like they just fit the vibe of the fall. And then also her 1989 Taylor's version is coming out, so I felt like it was appropriate. She also wore like a blue dress, light blue dress, to the premiere of the movie, which I feel is just like 1989 vibes, and she did on purpose for sure. So I was like, oh, I really want to find something for 1989 or Midnight. And honestly, I found quite a few things, so let's get through them. Okay, first off, I've got this little skirt it's from HomeSense, but like technically from Zara, and it was only $14.99, so I thought I would get it. Might end up returning because I don't think I'm gonna wear it with my outfit tonight, although I could figure out a way to like wear this with my outfit because I have like different options, but like I'm not gonna wear it just for the sake of it. Even if it's just $14.99, I will return it if I do not wear it, because that's just like a waste of money, you know. And then next from Zara, I found this light baby blue tee. It's very much see-through, but could be perfect for like a 1989 moment with like a tight white skirt. And this was only $12.99, which is such a good price. And I feel like this with a tight skirt, like a white skirt to go with the vibe, and then maybe like some black booties or white sneakers, and I would probably just throw on a bomber because if I'm wearing a skirt I'm gonna be cold outside. I live right near the theater, so I'm gonna be walking and I don't want to get cold, but I know I'm gonna be warm in the theater because we're gonna be like dancing, you know. So I just thought this could be like so cute, and I'm honestly so hesitant. Like, I'm really not sure what I want to wear. It's either between this and another, which I'll show you right now. Okay, this long sleeve shirt, like how cute. It has like a mock turtleneck. It looks so good on. It's kind of like a little bit like baggy but not too baggy, and it looks really good on. And I paired it yesterday with my Anthem shorts that I have from Aritzia, and it looks so good together. And I could do like white sneakers as well, and I just feel like this is such a good fearless vibe, which is not what I was going for originally, but like, come on, like this is just such a Taylor moment. I love it. And then the last thing that I found that would be a good vibe for Midnight is this see-through blouse, and it's really oversized, and it's kind of shimmery, which I felt was just like perfect. And I could easily throw this over like the black like skirt with a black bralette underneath. My goal was to like put stars on it, like, or overnight some stars from Amazon and just like glue them on, because that would just be perfect for Midnight. But I did not end up doing that, so I think I'm gonna end up returning this. This was also the most expensive out of all of the things that I got. It was $34.99, which like doesn't make much sense, but it is what it is. Oh, and I'm just realizing right now this is like an extra large, that's why it's so oversized. But like, it still looks pretty cute. Like I like it. Okay, this would be like the first option with like the white skirt, the blue tee, and I think like it's a solid option. It is comfy, but like I don't know if like I'm vibing with this as much as the like Fearless top that I found. I really want to like this because I really want to go for $19.89, but I ultimately think that I would just prefer wearing the Fearless top. So I'm gonna throw that outfit on and we're gonna decide together. Okay, this is the Fearless outfit and I love it. The lighting is like not doing justice right now, but like this with the shorts and like some white sneakers just to be like extra comfy, I feel like this is it. This is the vibe. I think I love this outfit. I love it so much. It's so cute. I think this is definitely it. You guys, I just put this outfit on. Now I'm kind of really liking it too. Like, I don't know, and I put the little skirt on, which is definitely going back because like the zipper literally just broke. So yeah, this is definitely like, these are going back. I don't care how much I paid for them. I just zipped them up and the zipper split. So I'm like, come on. But like, how cute is this with like shorts? I would maybe do like a bodysuit, and not the bodysuit, but like my Divinity romper from Aritzia, but like the short ones. I don't know if it's the romper, like I think that's how it's called, but the one with the shorts, I would probably do that underneath this. I think this could be such a cute moment as well. Like now I really don't know what I want to do. Even if I don't have the stars on it, I just think this could be so cute, and I'm kind of sad. Now I don't know what to do. Okay, I put my TikTok light up to show you guys the hair. The hair is, well, I mean, I have to brush it out. I haven't brushed it out yet. But makeup, hair, the hair looks crazy because it's not brushed out, but of course went with curls because Taylor Swift, like duh. And this is the makeup. I've got sort of a darker lip. I don't have red lipstick, but I've got like lip oil that's kind of darker than what I usually do, which I feel like no one's gonna notice except for me, but like still I notice it. And I think we're going with the Fearless outfit. I posted a TikTok and I have a few people saying the second outfit. My cousin was like wow on the second outfit. She definitely thought that the midnight outfit would be such a good option as well, but she was like both of them are good. The midnight option is more of a comfy outfit, and then the Fearless outfit is just like a wow moment. So I'm going with my gut. I wanted to do the Fearless outfit and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm heading there, and then we're gonna switch to phone because I'm not bringing my camera, but I'm gonna switch to my phone so that I can capture a few of the memories. So yeah, I'm so excited. Also follow me on TikTok because TikTok is gonna get some content.
Just give me the lines you need to read and I'll say them. From everything I've seen, there's no more mystery. All there is seeing, and there's no more left to see. 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 Comparing to everyone, not her, but kinda wish I was. I'm torn between my dignity and giving more to see, and I'm not the only one, and I hate to pass out to even one. So I contradict myself. Oh, won't you please forgive me, 'cause I'll be next in line to lie and show you life. The song's a misdirection to ourselves and gives you life. So step back in line.
You guys, I'm back from the movie. It was insane. It is like the most fun experience other than like going to see her live. Like I can't wait to go see her live. Like I can't wait to go to Portugal and go to Toronto and go see her live. I'm so excited. The movie is so good. This is your sign to go check out the movie because it is just that good. And on that note, I'm gonna take my makeup off, get ready for bed, and go to bed. What is up, you guys? It is the next day and it's actually quite late. It is 5:40. We are actually going to a Fright Fest in Ottawa. That's gonna be so much fun, and I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to film for you guys. I'll probably have somewhat of a montage for you, but we do this like not every year, but we've done it last year, and then a few years before that we did it as well, and I did it often with my family. But it's a lot of fun. So we're going to the Fright Fest. It's gonna be so much fun. I know this is so random because the last time I talked to you guys was like last night. But yeah, we're going to the Fright Fest, and I'm gonna have a little montage for you guys. We're all ready, all cozy in our clothes because we want to be comfy, sneakers, and then we also brought like a dinner because we usually eat dinner around 6 to 6:30, and our like check-in to the Fright Fest is 6:30, and it's about an hour away. So we brought some like dinner to eat, like snacks and stuff like that. So going to the Fright Fest, and I'll have a cute little montage for you guys, or like maybe scary little montage. We'll see. Okay, you guys, we had so much fun. There are 5 different like attractions that you can do, and the last one we were like freezing, and we were like, do we really want to do it? We only had one left, and we had the time to do it. It was only like, what time was it when we went to wait in line? Like 9:30?
No, it was like only 9:30, like maybe so, 9:45.
It was like, sure. Yeah, no, I think it was 9:30 honestly. Or no, we got off the other one at 9:40. We got off the other one at 9:40, so it was probably 9:45, you're right. And by the time we got in the line for the other one, like we were all freezing. We got in line, we were really hesitant. We weren't sure if we wanted to do the ride or not. Or not the ride, but like the attraction. It was like a haunted house. It was the last one. It's usually so much fun, and it's usually the one we start with, but the line was like an hour long, so we were like, oh, we're just gonna go do the ones that the lines is shorter.
Do it at the end.
Yeah, we'll do it at the end, whatever. It's right near the exit, so we can do it and just get out. But we were like, do we really want to do it? We're freezing, and they have it every single year, so we do it every single year. They change a few things, but it's mostly the same. And then we do like the entire line. We've been waiting for like almost an hour, and then they're like, oh, we're having technical difficulties in the haunted house, and we're gonna have to,
it's like shutting down basically.
Yeah, like they didn't say they were shutting it down yet, but they were like giving updates every 5 minutes, and they were like, yeah, we don't, like we have, here's an update, we don't literally have an update. But they were like really kind. They were like, you guys can go do any of the other rides, which we're usually not allowed to do. We can only do each like attraction once. And they were like, you guys can go do any of the other rides again because of the inconvenience, which was really nice. We were like, no, we just wanted to head home. We are so tired. We have a 15-minute drive to go home, and we just want to go home. And we were also freezing, honestly, so cold. And I said this, I think last year I had my puffer, like my Aritzia puffer winter coat, and I did not bring it this year, and I am making a mental note for next year. I am absolutely bringing my puffer coat, some gloves, and a hat. I think I would bring a hat too. Yeah. Anyways, that's the update for tonight. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I just got ready. Only just blow dried my hair because I don't have time to curl it. Did some very simple makeup, no mascara. And this is my outfit of the day. My Melina pants, which I very rarely wear. And then this t-shirt, which is like a contour t-shirt from Aritzia, that I also very rarely wear because I don't love the color on me. Like it just clashes, I feel, with like my skin tone. I just don't think it looks good with my skin tone, but we bought it, so we need to wear it. So I'm gonna wear this today. Anyways, I'm gonna get really hot in my Melina pants. We're having lunch at Alex's mom's because she was out of town last week for Thanksgiving. So it's kind of like a, like, I don't think it's really Thanksgiving, but like, yeah, it's like a late Thanksgiving, but it's not like super Thanksgiving vibe. It's just to see everyone, like, that's the vibe. So got ready, we're leaving, we're late. We were supposed to leave 10 minutes ago, but it's okay to be fashionably late sometimes. Okay, final outfit before going out. I'm wearing this shirt jacket that I got from Simon's like I think 2 or 3 years ago. My t-shirt, my effortless pants, and some black booties, and we're heading out the door. I made an apple crumble that I'm bringing for dessert, which should be really good. And It's like honestly one of my favorite recipes. I found it on Pinterest. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. It is so good. It is amazing, quite honestly. Like if you need a good recipe, try out that one. And yeah, we're heading out the door and I will update you guys when we come back home, I think. Okay, I'm back home and I have another outfit change because now I'm gonna walk to the grocery store and go buy some things. I was actually like just wearing a sweatsuit like this one right here, but I'm like, I could wear this with the puffer vest over to go to the grocery store, but that's a little bit too comfy for me, so I decided to get dressed. So I'm wearing my puffer vest, of course, the Aritzia Peggy sweater, some Lulu leggings, and some Uggs. A classic fall outfit, and honestly, I really feel like myself in this outfit. I love it so much. And we're going to the grocery store now. I'm gonna go buy the ingredients to make the gnocchi soup from Olive Garden. We're gonna do like a copycat version of that soup at home tonight for dinner. And I'm thinking of making Sundays soup nights because honestly I want to make a lasagna soup as well, and there's like a few different, like a Tuscan soup would be so good, and then like other kinds of soups that I really want to make. So this might be a thing. We also have like our reality TV show that plays on Sunday night, like our Quebec reality show, so I'm thinking that could be just perfect. It's such a good way to end off the weekend with a cozy bowl of soup while watching the show. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and let's go buy our ingredients to make our soup. All right, I got the grocery and I'll do a little haul for you guys of everything that we got. I didn't get too many things honestly because I already had a lot of things already at home for this soup, so I really didn't need much. Oh, also look at these like cups that my mother-in-law got Alex and I. So cute, so fall, and I think they're like limited edition, so I'm like really grateful. I was like, oh my god, thanks. I was so happy that she got those. Like I saw them on her story and I was like, oh my god, they're so cute. And I didn't respond to it, but she actually texted Alex and was like, don't tell Isabel that I got some. Like if she wants to go buy some, tell her no. Like that's just so cute. She organized like a little surprise. Anyways, let's go through everything I got for the gnocchi soup. First off, I got some spinach, some green onion. I got more pumpkin spice creamer. I think we only have 2 left in the fridge, and I decided to get 3 more because I know we go through them so fast. So, and they were on sale, so why not? I got some half and half, some gnocchis, and then I got some sesame oil because I was running out. And that's all that I got. Okay, this looks like a mess, but I started the soup. In here we've got half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some celery, some carrot, and then I added like these. They're frozen, but it's basically the leaves from celery. I use them in soups. They taste so good. I typically just leave them out of my green juices and then just cut them up, put them in the freezer, and then when I make like soups, I love using those little leaves because they have so much flavor in them. So I just took some out and put that in the pot. And I think the next step is to cut up some chicken, which we bought 2 rotisserie chickens from Costco. So we've got a lot of chicken that I'm gonna be using. And then add the broth, some spices, and then I think last minute we're gonna add a cup of spinach, the gnocchis, and then the half and half, or maybe the half and half we have to add before, but I'm not sure. So yeah, so far so good. It smells so good, especially like the fresh garlic is such a yummy smell, so it smells amazing. Okay, look at how this soup turned out. It's so creamy and it tastes so good, you guys. Obviously had to do a little taste test to make sure that it was seasoned properly, and it's so good. So again, this is your sign to make this soup. It is so worth it. It's so good. The recipe is down below for you guys. I felt, but it wasn't fake, and I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay.